Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X1 rear wiper. First, gather your tools, a new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off before you begin. You will find the rear wiper arm on the tailgate of your BMW X1. This simple task can be done quickly with the right approach. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, locate the small tab on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade with the connector on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Finally, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Test it to ensure proper function. After installation, perform a quick test. Use your washer fluid and activate the rear wiper to ensure it clears the window effectively and makes full contact with the glass. Regular checks keep your visibility clear and safe. Also, for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Keep your BMW X1 in top shape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.